Leibak ama nattraga khunnai ama Tangdu Leitana Chaokhatke Hairabadi Meeoibagi Punsi amasung Lan-Thum Ngak Senba yamnamak Mathou Tai haina Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan phongdokkhre. Wafamasi World Anthropology Day Gamari Lengna Anthropology in Practice, Health, Culture and Security haiba theme da ngasidagi hauraga lakliba tang tara tare fawba Manipuri University da chathagadaba World Anthropology Post Congress 2023 International Seminar hodokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibani. Manipuri University Department of Anthropology na DM University Department of Anthropology, Anthropological Society of Manipur amade Manipur da leiriba College Kuntaret ki Anthropology Department ka khutsamnaduna pangthokiba thoram amada Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan hai Hauzik Manipur da leiriba issue mayam asigi manungda health, culture amade security ki fibam ase anthropology ki mityengda neinabada yamna matang chaba amane. World Health Organization ki matung ina mioi amagi mental, physical amadi social well-being ase maru oina lauribane. Palibalengak asina so state asida leiriba mipum khudimakta makhoigi mathau taba healthcare pinaba ahenba mityeng changduna yariba makai ana layengda sel yamna changhandanaba hotnari. Manipur University ki Anthropology Department ka lengak asigi Health Department ka punna thabak tawminaduna Anthropology dagi loba data singna patient sing laying labadi hena kanaba phangani haibagi thazabale. Leibak ama nattraga khunnai ama Tangdu Leitana Chaokhatke Hairabadi Meeoibagi Punsi amadi Lan-Thum Ngak Senba haibase yamnamak Mathou Tai. Security haiba sigi tongan ba wahan thok leirabasu food security amadi law and order haiba asina Meeoiba khunnai ase hingnanaba amadi chaukhatnabagi khwaidagi maru oiba amani. Aduga Leibak amagi chapchaba masakta ke Hairabadi Leibak adugi human resource miyamgi haksal gi fibam punsi mahing amadi chatna lon chatna takadabani. Manipur da haukiba tha tara rom asida thokliba wathok asina maram oiraga mioi kayagi yum kai mang takle food security leiraktaba law and order gi fibam fattaba amadi misi mina kaya thokpa asina miyamgi mental health ta achoba checking piduna makhal makha kya gi problems sing lehali. Pangthokliba seminar asina Manipur da thokliba issue sing ase loishinbada mateng oiduna lamdam ase mahusagi punsida hanjilakpa oirasanu haina Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjana makatana phongdokhe. Thauramatuda DM University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Raj Mohan, Anthropological Society of Manipur ki President K. Sarachandra, Allahabad University ki Department of Anthropology ki Hanagi, HOD Professor Bijoy S. Sahe, Manipur University ki Department of Anthropology ki Head Professor S. Jibon Kumar Yauna, Mahiroi Madi Scholar Kiana Sarukyake.
How about tying up between the Department of Anthropology of the university and the health department on many aspects? Because while I was just reading into just flipping through the session that we would be having and also the program schedule, I think many of things are being discussed about health. And in this, what is to be discussed, Manipur, we do have some issues. We would be surprised that we do have a lot of kidney diseases, we do have a lot of patients who are, which is not in sync with the population. Young kidney problems. There's a discussion, I think there's going to be a topic on the polycystic ovarian disease. If one may know that infertility case in Manipur is whopping high. It is high. Whether in terms of the, when we speak of the primary infertility or the secondary infertility, whatever, it is high.
The earlier theme, we changed it because by August, the scenario of Manipur changed. So we thought of changing the theme. So we changed the theme to health, culture, and security. We the human beings, before we were given the name human, we were simply men. Men means a biological species. But later on, with the position of culture, when we started having culture, we became human. And we became human beings.